company do you all work for?
Commvault.
Who says we can't have fun after graduation? I take pride in being part of the vibrant and energetic Commvault, the leading software company in data management. Commvault was originally formed as a development group in Bell Labs in 1988 and later became a business unit of AT&T. It became an independent company in 1996 and became a publicly owned company listed on the US Nasdaq in 2006. It is today one of the fastest growing technology companies.
The India Development Center, which we started in 2004, has grown today to a very integral part of Commvault Systems Global Design and Product Development Center.
At Commvault, I get to combine challenging work with immense satisfaction of serving over 16,000 organizations, which include Fortune 500 companies and global conglomerates from all types of industries.
The IDC team is part of the core team that works at corporate, and it's an extension of that team in every sense. It's not like an outsourced environment where they are working on unimportant sideline projects. They work on important things on the same product as the rest of the organization.
And I have a wonderful work environment where I make the most of my free time.
At Commvault, we believe in having fun at work. What we do at Commvault is make products that are world class, but at the same time have fun in doing it. We believe in having a very flexible work environment for people so that they can innovate and do great job.
It's great to work here. We have fun every day. Our team has meetings in the cafeteria. We go together to watch movies and we get to work on, we discuss new technologies, current technologies in the field of virtualization and BMR, and even get to test drive it. We watch the World Cup finals in the conference room here in our office. And when I'm tired of our work, sometimes to take a break, I can even catch up with Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. It's all allowed in our office. Just fun.
Where I take part in the annual events, bring along my near and dear to family outings, and participate in sports with my colleagues. There are more advantages that I avail myself of each month, including a comprehensive healthcare package for me and my family, wellness programs to keep me fit, a flexible work schedule, company provided healthy snacks each day and juicy fruits to enliven my evenings, and even dinners to make late night work delicious. The India Development Center at Commvault is a key part of our Global Development Center in Oceanport, New Jersey. Together, we innovate new products and enhance the existing ones. It is the second largest product development center outside USA. Best of all, the team at Commvault IDC is provided with opportunities to develop world-class data management products on diverse cutting-edge technologies. We don't have to wait for years to work on interesting projects. We get challenging work from our first day on the job. And if we are interested and successful at IDC, the company provides rotation assignments in the US as part of our individual development opportunities.
We have a great transfer policy, which is in 5 years of you being at Commvault, you can transfer over to the corporate office provided you do well. Everything that you do at Commvault is measured against your performance and nothing else matters. All you have to do is do great work and then you can succeed at Commvault.
No less than an organization of the stature of Gartner has consecutively positioned Commvault as the top leader in its 2012 as well as 2013 report titled Magic Quadrant for Enterprise Backup and Recovery Software. Commvault continues to lead the industry by developing innovative software solutions that deliver real-time value. Its signature product, the award-winning Simpana software, is built from the ground up on a single platform and unifying code base for integrated data and information management. What's more, Commvault encourages employees to showcase their talents and seize exciting opportunities to make a difference.
One good thing that I find about Commvault as an engineer is small but highly efficient teams. Now, why is that a good thing? There is great work satisfaction that you get because there is loads of challenging work coming your way, and you get easily, spotted and rewarded for your good work.
The superior work ambience here is conducive to a fulfilling career with a great sense of achievement. So, I have taken a wise decision by joining a company of the class of Commvault. Because Commvault is a destination that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary.
One of our main drivers of the success has been our ability to hire and retain wonderful talent from the campuses. Getting the best among you on board and help you integrate with our world-class engineering team has been a real success for us. Our selection process today has been designed to simulate a real-life software development scenario, and I'm sure you will find it different, interesting and challenging. Looking forward to meet with you during the further evaluation processes today. Good luck and thank you.
And if you're really excited about your life and want a head start in your career, you know where to begin. Here. Take life to the next level. Join Commvault.